here done carried the goddamn front wheel like 20 plus feet.
Alright guys, can you believe it? It is time to try this out. Whew! It's been a long time since I had butterflies. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. My own bike, the 112, the clutch feels good. So I got all kinds of new shit in here. Let's see what he says.
We're going a little different way. It's got a little more scenic. We can a little ride, kind of feel it on throttle, off throttle, smooth throttle, kind of feel it everywhere.
So I'll follow you. Okay. All right, we're gonna do. He said he wants to go a different way than I've been going to kind of get a little feel for this bike. So you guys, if you're just for some reason tuning in, I got the new Revolution Performance 112. I got the Revolution Performance 112 kit, and that fucking tire hooked. And so I got 112 cubic inches. I got a new clutch, new cable. I got the Hoonies tune. When you get these kits, you get the Hoonies tune. Hey, she hooked! I rode that bike earlier, and it wouldn't hook. It was kind of crazy how it would not hook. So we got a new back tire for this. Just trying to get the feel for it. Yeah, I mean, everything's the same except it just has a bigger motor. So we're gonna go do some little bit, but I'm trying to like feel. Am I in sport mode? I'm in sport mode. I'm just trying to like get a good feel for just even the little things, you know, like the quarter throttle. Like the throttle response can be a little different. It's a different tune than I'm used to. So I'm just feeling things out, trying to get to know the bike just a little bit more. I know a stock bike. I know the Lloyd's bike because I've had their tune for 30,000 miles or whatever it is. So this is just new. So I'm just trying to like get a good feel for everything. So this is pretty cool. These guys like completely stopped the show to help me do this kit. I rode out here. I'm a ride home. So I did the kit literally, as you guys know, today, or well, yesterday and today. We finished it up today. Turn around. Yeah, yesterday and today. So now you guys I'm literally doing a follow ride. It's almost like a guided tour, just to see. So it's not a huge difference, motor size wise, but as you guys have known, I This is the same size motor that the King of the Baggers Challengers run, that has been all R&D'd from the King of the Baggers. That's where Revolution Performance got all their research and development, teaming with the M3 team. They're kind of short shifting right now. They told me I could bounce it. They said do whatever I want to do. So I could bounce. It's not a problem. There's no real per se break-in procedures that I have to do. We did them all. There were some heat cycles that they wanted to do, and other than that, just ride it. So I'm getting ready to go ride this bad boy, and it feels fine. I'm not acting like a hooligan at all right now, and it feels completely fine. Just a little throttle, yeah. Everything feels really good. This is good though. This is how it should be. Same thing. I do a wheelie, he does a burnout. You can't get his bike to hook though. His tire is just a little bit torn. Yeah, he said he's gonna take me on a little way. So I pull a power wheelie, he does a burnout. You know what I like about this so far that I'm noticing is that having minnow on the back, it's not wicked crazy or anything. I'll be just chill. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited to have this. I'm obviously gonna bring dyno numbers and befores and afters and all that, like I do to everything and everybody. You guys, I'm pretty excited. While I'm thinking about it, I do want to thank the M3 people. I'm not sure what the fuck. It's clear right here? She's a runner. She's a runner. She feels great. She feels great. Just this mid-range, just middle power. She just feels good. I mean, I'm bouncing between like 50 and 80 right now, just cruising. It's nothing outrageous. It's just there, and it's all there. Yeah. That was second. Whoops. That was a downshift. Shit. That was a hard one too. All the way down to first on accident at like 40 miles an hour. Yeah, she's a good one. Brian's getting a little excited. His bike runs fucking pretty good too. He has the 112 in that. That's good. I like it. I'm so happy. There's always like this weird moment. I'm trying to like compute in my brain all the changes. I did 1,000 miles on that original build, you know. And she's going right now. Yeah. Woo, boy, I thought he was coming. We both lit up our brakes, same time. Thought he was coming. what a bike, man. By the way, I love this bike how it was. I just wanted to see. I had to know. And you guys, I've been hanging with these Mad Monkey guys. M3. We've been hanging with these M3 guys, and they're just so cool. They're so chill to my wife and my family and my daughter. It's on another level. I mean, dang, it's just, well, I gotta go pay that bill. I gotta pay the bill, but I think it's worth it. I'm happy. I'm so freaking happy. I am so freaking happy. It's gonna be a bill though. These kids aren't super cheap. I hope he takes the freeway back so I can get like a good little on-ramp dig, so I have an idea. That'd be good. That would be good. Man, she's running so good though right now. Tell you what, all you guys from North Carolina area, you guys got some nice riding over here. I'm loving the trees, everything. Oh shit, I just broke my fucking thing. It is fucking a go. I like it. My fucking visor is just gonna break. Got it. Yeah. She fucking running good. That 50 to 80, it's so easy. I pulled the fucking wheelie. It hooked, pulled a wheelie real easy. Gotta fix this helmet.
There's a little touch I want to do, and honestly, I'm gonna try to touch it, but I think what I'm fighting is those long primaries. So what we found in testing is the longer the primary, the more bottom end hit you're gonna get. But she'll start kind of nosing over about 55, 58. She'll start flattening out a little sooner than what she should. And I really think it's just the long primary. So you're giving up a little bit on the top end. Realistically, you need to be shifting about 55, 57, 50 anyways to stay in torque mode. But dude, that motherfucker, when you hit it.
Did you hit it hard right there too?
Oh,
we were going side by side?
Oh, yeah, I did.
Because there was like a second where I was like, oh, he's gonna run by me. And then all of a sudden I pulled a little bit more on you.
Oh, it did. That's what I'm saying. When that shifted, you shifted and it went back into torque. I didn't have the torque to keep up.
Yeah.
No. Now she's, get it on the fucking dyno. I know there's something hiding in it. There's more in it.
Yeah.
Quite a bit. But how's it feel?
Feels fucking good. I mean, yeah, it feels great. I mean, you know what I like about it is it's there, but it's also not fucking rabid.
Right.
So I'm not worried about putting Autumn on it and doing these, because that was some of my concern too, was like, I ride a lot with Autumn, you know, and I can't have some bike that I'm gonna fucking be breaking traction all the time, you know, traction control, obviously.
Then maybe what we do is, like I said, if he's got a sniffer and we can get just some readings, really what I'd like to see is about 5+, just that last 1500 RPM, because Autumn's not going to really experience that very often.
No, she won't. No, almost never.
So the bottom end's nice and smooth.
Well,
real smooth.
I mean, if you find something and you want, so some of it's me, right? Like obviously my game has to be on par too. Like you could fucking, I could take a bone stock bike and make it unsafe for my kid.
100%.
Right. So I'd rather just get, but what I'm saying is it's easy to keep it mild. It's not like
100%.
I'm going fucking nuts.
My biggest problem, and I had to go through and reset myself, that Fred doesn't ride like me. Fred long distance ride. Fred doesn't need it as aggressive all the time. He wants it aggressive when he wants it aggressive.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
So leave it at that. But goddamn, dude, that motherfucker digs on the bottom.
She does.
Dude.
Dude, when I did that little wheelie, it was second. And I was like, bah! You did a burnout, like when we did that left.
Oh yeah.
You did that burnout. We both had the same mindset. We're like, oh fuck it, perfect. Whoop. You broke loose like this, and I went whoop. Yeah, it was fucking awesome.
You like it?
Yeah, I fucking love. I'm super stoked.
Okay. All right.
I was vlogging, and I'm like trying to take in. I'm trying to like put in words how I'm feeling, and you know what I mean. But
Well,
no,
and that was a great little ride through there.
I am so happy. I feel like I'm just like nonstop smiling whenever I'm actually thinking about this and not thinking about talking. I'm just like, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Gosh. It's going to be real interesting to see like what the dynos say. And I'm going to do all that. So if it's your first time watching my channel, I'm pretty transparent on everything that I do, and I say that you guys should like and subscribe because I always got more cool stuff coming. I mean, I think it's all cool. I don't know, maybe you guys don't.
This motherfucker right here doesn't carry the goddamn front wheel like 20 plus fucking feet.